Assalamualaikum. My name is Aksamak. My father name is Shekhar. My teacher name is Firoz Khan. My school name is Sufan Angal Pasha Urdu School Akot. Birds can fly. Birds can fly up in the sky, and I can fly too. Frogs can jump. Frogs can jump very, very high, and I can jump too. Ducks can swim. Ducks can swim deep in the water, and I can swim too. Dog can walk. Dog can walk on the grounds. I can walk too. Horses can run. Horses can run in the forest, and I can run too. Bunnies can hop. Bunnies can hop on the grass, and I can hop too. Assalamualaikum.